Next our topic is a solenoid. A solenoid is an actuator consisting of a number of cylindrical wound coils. So this is also one of our actuator where it consists of a cylindrical wound coils. Let us see where these solenoids are used. The flow of current creates a magnetic field in proportion to the number of turns in solenoids and current in it. Whenever we generate the current it creates the magnetic field in proportion to the number of turns in the solenoid and current in it. So based on the number of coils it turns in the solenoids, it generates the current in it. If a shaft made of iron is placed along the axis, then its motion can be controlled by the input current, pulse and variation of current with time. If a shaft made of iron is placed on the axis, if iron material is placed on the axis, the motion can be controlled by the input current, pulse and variation of current with time. Based on that input current, pulses, the variation of current with time is identified. It can create a sharp forward push, backward push and repeated to and fro motion. Based on this sharp solenoids, we can forward push, backward push and repeated to and fro motions. It can also create rotator motion from linear motion by using a cam. So by using these we can create rotator motion from linear motion by using a cam. So if you are using the camera, you can push the images to and fro. So it is nothing but a zoom out. If you are using the manual cameras, if you want to see the object close, we are shuffling that lens. That rounded coil is nothing but a solenoid. So here is also suggesting the same thing. A cam with linear shaft assembly is used in an engine to convert rotatory motion into linear motion and vice versa. By using a cam, a linear shaft assembly is used in engine. If you are used in this engine, it converts the rotatory motion into linear motion and vice versa. So rotatory motion can be converted into a linear form and linear form to rotatory form by using this linear shaft assembly in your engine. A cam is a specially cut mechanical rotating object such that radius linearly increases between 0 degree and 180 degree rotation and decreases between 180 and 360 degree. So especially it is used in mechanical rotating objects. Whenever we are using this mechanical rotating objects, these solenoids are very much essential. It is used in the radius linearly increasing. To increase the radius increasingly between 0 and 180 degree rotation and decreases between 180 and 360 degrees. So that is what exactly I am saying as your zoom in and zoom out of your cameras. When a cam assembly rotates, then a linear shaft moves in forward and backward motion in each rotation. When cam assembly rotates, then a linear shaft, whatever the linear device or linear piece, moves in forward and backward motion, that moves in forward and backward motion in each rotations.